Oh yeah, just walking up now. So I told you guys yesterday I spent the night in Unimuse in POC3. Well, it's a nice place. It's quiet, but today it's raining outside there. As you can hear, it's raining. Trying to go outside to show you. It's raining. We got some kids outside there. You can see some kids. Well, Jenna. As you can see, the cute people walking. It's raining here. Too much rain and too much mud. Maliana. See a lot of people moving and it's raining. Yeah, we gotta get a pill. Why you calling a water rate? China, koi na. China, koi. People are hustling. They don't care about the rain.